The Mississippi Delta is known for its art, music, and food. My name is Jonathan Mills. I'm Vice President of Sales with Heartland Catfish Company in Itta Bena, Mississippi. We're here today in Greenwood, Mississippi at the Viking Cooking School to work with their talented chefs to develop some new Heartland Catfish recipes. The Viking Range brand has kind of put Greenwood in the center of the food industry in the Mississippi Delta. We're lucky enough for Heartland to be local as well.
I'm Kimberly Neamy. I'm the General Manager of the Viking Cooking School here in Greenwood, Mississippi. And we offer culinary classes for guests. They come from all over the South, really all over the nation. Here at the Viking Cooking School, food is everything. It's very important to us to educate our customers not only about different food techniques and trends, but also about our local ingredients and our local agriculture here. Catfish is such a mild fish. It has such a great flavor. The versatility is just so great. You can grill, you can saute. There's so many different things with catfish that we have been able to educate our guests on, so it's been a great fish to be able to use in many different recipes.
I think the main thing that sets Heartland Catfish apart from other catfish companies around the country is our commitment to flavor and to consistency. It seemed only natural to partner together to develop new recipes and new innovative ideas.